Success is a process, not an event. So don't settle, let's take 10 more steps. In this 10 Kadam series, part 1, we will discuss 10 illustration of laws of motion. To billiard ball equal mass, that is given to you 30 gram, mass of the each ball is given to us 30 gram. Strike rigid ball with same speed of 108 km per hour. The speed of motion is given to us, that is written here u or writing b, doesn't matter. That is given by 108 km per hour. So multiply by 5 by 18. 18 6 108 6 5 30 meter per second. So we convert this mass into kilogram. That is 30 by 1000 kilogram. But at different angle. Okay. If the ball get reflected with the same speed, this ball is returning back, and this ball is reflecting at the same angle. That is 45 degree. Then the ratio of the magnitude of the impulse imparted to ball A and ball B by the ball impulse is change in momentum. In the first situation, if we say the change in momentum, impulse, that is J, is known as a change in momentum. In first situation, I say for the ball A, impulse is given by 2m into u, because जिस स्पीड से आ रहा है उसी स्पीड से उसी डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है. Then for the ball B, I will say impulse. Of course, all of you know now. We will take only the component of the x-axis that will double in direction. So component of x-axis, I can say it is mu by root 2, because mu cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Again listen. Initial momentum का एक x component होगा, एक y component होगा. Velocity का x component हो गया u cos 45 degree, so u by root 2. Y component कितना हो गया u sin 45 degree, it is u by root 2. Similarly, for the final momentum, one is the x component, another is y component. Y component will cancel out, only x will add up, and when you add it, you will say it is given by 2 mu by root 2, like this. So J impulse for the ball B in the same x direction is given by 2 mu upon root 2, or we can say root 2 into mu. Now we have to calculate impulse of A upon impulse of B. So it is 2 mu upon root 2 m into u. We will calculate, it is given by root 2 by 1. So right answer of this problem will be option B, that is root 2 is to 1.